Tuesday morning, kids dropped off, errands lined up, music blasting, feeling on top of the world. Then BAM! That dreaded sound. The car starts acting up, your heart sinks, panic sets in, you pull over totally clueless. What do? You reach out to a friend hoping they know a trustworthy mechanic. But here's the problem. That's the wrong question to ask. First, most people don't know a truly trustworthy mechanic that can help you. Second, asking for a trustworthy mechanic doesn't solve the real issue to your problem. The right question is, how can I get the car knowledge I need right now to deal with any mechanic confidently?
Hi, I'm Marco, and I created AO2Know.com to answer that question. AO2Know.com gives you the knowledge and confidence to handle car repairs, so you're never at the mercy of a mechanic again. We focus on two things: expert online mechanic consultants to assist you in understanding the repairs needed and negotiating expertly with your mechanic, and preventive maintenance know-how so you can learn how to keep your car running smoothly and avoid breakdowns. With AO2Know.com, you don't need a trustworthy mechanic. You just need a competent one, because they'll know you're informed.
Imagine your smile returns, your day gets back on track, no stress, no fear.
If this resonates with you, join our email waiting list. The link is in the description below. And please, share this video with your family and friends. Let's drive with confidence.